Hi Philippines! Hi Boracay! Hi world! Ay mga gwapa from Davao! Representing Boracay. Stranded in Sinagpa. Dahil sa ulan. Dahil sa bagyo. See, they are going that way too sa Diniwed. Short videos lang to mga girls ha. Lagay ko sa YouTube ko. Akalan. Mga gwapa, oh. Presenting Davao in Boracay. So my God. Dito kami sa Sinagpa. So, stranded sa ulan, stranded sa hangin. Si Kuya. Tour guide ka, Kuya? Abaw, mayuged. Mayadged. Dito ako minsan tumitigil pag yung init. Nagtatakbo ako. I run, I jog and walk. From Mount Luho, going to this way. Balik na naman ako papunta dun sa Long Beach. All the way to Angol. But this time I came from Angol, from the upper Angol, and then coming to Diniwid. And this is what they look like right now. So, we're stranded here. Stranded in Sinagpa. Ito sa may coffee shop ng ni Mom. I don't know her name. We are here. Stranded kami. And so, this is nice when it's summer. I've been here a lot when it's summer because I run around. So then I stop here for buko or something to drink. And native lang. Nothing fancy. Okay. So this is a short video. So there's moon tonight. God is gracious. God is good. We are going to the Diniwid area. I'm nearly there. It's just about 5 minutes run from here to there. 5 minutes run. But oh, it's so windy and raining. I'm going to take photos of the cities. A dirty, heavy streams of water from the upper side of Sinagpa. See? That's the one. Going to the sea. It's going to the sea.